I am Jamiul Alam and we are in New Moon Indian restaurant in Tullow. I like food. This is why I live for. Indian food is the use of the spice and the herbs, and this is how the layers are made. We have the tandoori dishes. We put them in the sizzling hot plates as well, and the steams, and it gives a aromatic flavor that make you more hungry for the food. Like, you wanted to eat more there. We are cooking everything fresh and we are cooking after the order. So we believe in a quote, our food is freshly cooked uniquely for you. We try to get as best as we can from the local supplier. We source our meat from the Ballon Meats. We source all vegetables from the Michael Hosey. We have the next door is a Murphy's Butcher. I am proud of Carlow. It's a friendliness, it's a calm, and surrounding of it is very beautiful. It's full of natural resources. People from India, they always fancy to live here. In Carlow, people say live and let live. It's an easier way to describe